primitive technology and the bizarre depths of YouTube in Southeast Asia. How have these bizarre videos of half-naked boys in Southeast Asia voraciously devouring exotic animals while making monkey noises gotten hundreds of millions of views on YouTube? Update July 30. Within the last 24 hours, YouTube has taken down several of the channels featuring young boys that we highlighted in this article, including Primitive Technology, Primitive Boy and Part 1 Channel. Surfing into madness. Of the things we pride ourselves on at Coconuts is our internet research skills. We track down the origins of obscure videos and explain inscrutable memes in. Usually, those stories involve online ephemera too small and transient to pin down, like an incendiary social media post that gets deleted before anybody could screenshot it, for example. But the subj. Trying to find answers led us down a rabbit hole of research into the underbelly of YouTube, a place where logic and humanity seem to distort themselves in service of an algorithm that amplifies exter. For us, it began with a video of two men building a swimming pool. The video shows two men using primitive technology to build the pool without any modern tools or equipment. It's straightforward and pretty neat, right? After a member of our team stumbled on the app. The idea that a channel creating videos like this could earn over $10,000 a month in Cambodia, a country where the average per capita income is about $114, seemed to explain why so many of these narrowing our focus to Cambodia did, however, help us make a major breakthrough. Through a chance connection, we were able to make contact with the producers of one of the country's many primitive tech. You can read more about that and the rest of our investigation into the origin of these videos in part 2 of this series. Join Coco Plus and get ad-free browsing experience on Coconuts and more juicy